Welcome back everyone. It's that time of year. I'm going to be setting up the bar today. It's pretty chilly today. It's about 9 degrees Celsius at the moment, but I swear it feels like it's about 5 degrees, so I'm wrapped up quite warm. Even though it looks quite tropical, it is very cold. And according to the weather forecast, it will be the last frost tonight. So I'm hoping to uncover my bananas tomorrow. As I mentioned in a previous video, I did actually unwrap them a few weeks ago when we had a little heat wave, and then we had some really cold days and even a little bit of snow, so I ended up wrapping them back up again. The weather is so temperamental here. And also a quick update on the decking. So the carpenter's coming back tomorrow to sand the decking as long as it doesn't rain again. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my bar. It's going to take me quite a while, but I'm going to film the process. And my thatch roof is looking a bit tatty, so I'm looking at replacing that this year. Excuse the mess. I do have a couple of new things to show you. I've got my wooden mauve ornament that I'm hoping to either hang in the bar or underneath the pergola, whatever. I got this little guy off a seller on Etsy. I actually pre-ordered this about a year ago, but the lady was so busy that it didn't actually arrive until the autumn time, so I'm really happy to have this out. And I also got another one from her. I got this sun conure. I thought he would look really cool in the bar. I also picked up this really cool wooden tile. I think it's meant to be for putting your pans on in the kitchen, but this reminds me of like a vintage Chinese jade tile that you'll sometimes see in a Tiki Bar, but they are mega expensive, so I thought this might look quite cool in the bar. I'll have to see how much room I've got left and squeeze it in somewhere. So first things first, I'm going to plug in my speaker so I've got some music, and then I'm going to give the bar a little bit of a clean. I'll probably put the lights up first and then start decorating. Apparently the weather's getting a bit nicer next week, which will be my birthday weekend, so that's rather exciting. But for now, I'm going to wrap up warm, and I hope you enjoy the video. Here's how it's all looking so far, looking much better. I might need to move a few things around, and I just realised there's a few things missing, like my hibiscus garland that usually goes at the top, and a few other little pieces. So what I think I'm going to do is I'll have a hunt for the bits that are missing. I'll probably pop those in the next few days, and then I'll film everything once it's finished, and then hopefully by then all the plants will be uncovered, and even the decking might be finished, so it'll all be looking a lot better. Plus it's super cold today, so I think I'm going to go inside and have a nice coffee and warm up,